What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Time-Lapse Tuesday. In today's time-lapse, I'm going to go back a couple of years to when we had these trees removed. This whole area right here used to be covered in, I think they were called birch trees or cedar trees. I don't remember what they were. But now we're left with these big stumps. There's one here, there's one here, one there, and one there, and one in front of that. And then we had this fence put in. The area looks way nicer now. I wish I had a time lapse of when we had this fence installed, but I wasn't home, so I couldn't film it. I had to work. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into today's time lapse. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep skating. Peace, guys.